This cake was so fluffy, I completely forgot I was trying to cut backward sweets. It disappeared in just 2 days, and no, I didn't finish it alone. So let's get baking. First, grease your cake pan and set it aside. Now would be a great time to preheat your oven as well. Next, whisk your egg whites. Don't stress about the tiny bit of yolk in it, it won't ruin the recipe. Now you have to whisk until it's smooth and then add 300 grams of yogurt. Mix well and set aside. If you haven't turned your oven on, just do that now. Melt your butter and transfer it to a bowl. Add sugar and whisk until smooth. You will know it's ready when you can hear the sugar grains no more. Now you have to add the egg yolks and whisk until the mixture is completely uniformed. Next, add your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour. I use self-rising flour for this recipe. Then I added corn flour and baking powder. If you are using the regular all-purpose flour, you can add baking soda as well to help with fluffiness. Then you bring it together, gently folding the egg white yogurt mixture and mix quickly. Not more than 2 minutes. Pour the batter into your prepared pan, spread it evenly and tap the pan against the surface like I'm doing in the video. This removes air bubbles and ensures an even bake. You bake at 160 degrees, that's medium heat, or gas mark 4 for 35 to 45 minutes until the cake turns golden brown. You can enjoy this with a chocolate drink or any drink of your choice. Thank you. See you later. Bye.